Hello, I am Carrie Knopf, and it is 4:03 p.m. It is 38 degrees. Everybody's got their lights on. We got a wind advisory today. Today's high was 52. It says 40 on the phone, but it's actually 38 degrees out, and you can probably hear the wind on the phone. It's not raining like it was early today, but let me tell you, you can see those clouds. Those clouds are just moving. It was heavy rain. Yeah, it was heavy rain earlier today. Yeah, it is. It is very, very windy. But anywho, yeah, it's quite dark. But the wind is going to be picking up. What a difference a week makes. Last week, Sunday, it was 68, 72 degrees, and today, right now, a week later, it is now 38 degrees outside. So, what a difference a day makes. Yeah. I'll come over here. See some of the clouds here. Yeah, it is. Let me point some of the clouds here. I should have put on a jacket, but that's what it is. Yeah, you can just hear the wind just a whipping. Yeah, you can. Yeah, it is chilly. Mostly chilly. I'm gonna go back into the garage and shoot from the garage. Yeah, that's what it's doing right now at the moment. I'm going to go back in, get a view from the backyard here. Yeah, the rain is gone, but we got the, like I said, the wind advisory until 10 p.m. Tonight. See if I can get some wind. Yeah, there's the wind picking up again. Gonna be like off and on, but that is the wind that we have. I don't know what the wind chill is, but I can tell you it's cold. I knew I should have put a jacket on. But I am Carrie Knopf, signing off on Sunday, November the 15th. Everybody, have a good one. And on that note, I just cracked a fart, and it was gone like the wind. Oh, I'm Carrie Knopf, signing off. Everybody have a good night. And on a funny little high note. Bye-bye. Even had Burger King for lunch.